This is the gold video report for Monday 28th of April. We're looking at the daily chart of gold. We were looking for a bottoming out last week in the 1277, 1275 area. We did get that initially on the 22nd. Then on the 24th we plunged through it, didn't manage to close below there. It was really just a full spike down to shake out any weak longs. And then of course this higher close really was a very bullish candle for gold, and I think this just does back up the view that we have bottomed out, and we still stick with that view that we are going to resume this bull market from the late December rally, which did correct, and I think that's over now. I think we're going to break higher. The close above the 100-day moving average at 1280 was useful on Friday. We never managed to close below that last week. We're now pushing above the 200-day moving average, which is around the 1299, 1300 area. We've just got to get this through this trend line resistance, which is around the mid 1300 area. Once we're through there, we're on to 1307.08, and then we're up to 1315, 16. Wouldn't be surprised to see that area this week, but I think we will struggle at that resistance. So let's just see what happens when we get there. You can see the daily stochastics quite oversold and turning positive, so that's another good reason to think that we can continue higher in gold. What's it saying in the short term? Well, we're getting a little bit overbought, so we've just got to watch that 1307 area. We could pull back from there, but I think any pullback in the short term over the next day or two would be a buying opportunity. Support levels are on the written report, so you can refer to those. It's only really a close, or certainly a close below the 100-day moving average at 1280 that would be my first worry, and I would start to have to think about questioning whether this bull market will resume. So let's just see if that happens, and obviously a break below last week's low of 1268 would then be a further worry, but until we close below 1280 I'm going to stick with the bullish scenario.